Hello, welcome new client enter our live stream. This is Fanny and we are Zhongshancheng the electric company, which is more than 80 years experience in this field. And we are instant electric water heaters factory. And we established in 2006. We have 3 shops on Alibaba. As you can see, the color board is our designer to decide. If you wanted to decide your brand name or decide the new one color box for your brand, we also have 3 designers to service you. Like if you place an order with us, we also can print your logo on the heaters.